Good morning. Hello and welcome back. I hope you guys are having a wonderful holiday week. So, so this morning I'm going to show you guys a live demo on the Bellman Stovetop. So it's called CX-25 Espresso. So this one makes espresso and then steam the milk at the same time. Again, so this is a Bellman Stovetop. Go something like this. Okay, so this is their filter baskets. That's the espresso coming out here. Kind of like lock it in. That okay. Good. This is for a basket. If you're gonna use less, they give you this. So they give you kind of like I don't know, some kind of adapter. Okay. So also you can use that as a temper as well. And if you wanna buy temper, you can buy that separately. That comes with the temper separately. You can actually temp it. Okay, very precise. Works really good. So I'm gonna be using 40 gram. And if you wanna use, let's say 15 gram, use this, flip it down. And now you can use 15 gram. Okay, you still have space there. But you know what, let's go large today. Let's go 40. I think you can go up to 50 gram on these baskets. Yeah. I'm using the kind of like darker roast this morning. I'm gonna put 40 gram in it. Grind size number 8. Put coffee into the baskets. And then usually just put the finger right in, because you don't want to go coffee in there. Use this. Just press down. Okay. That's it. And that comes with the paper. So paper is optional. Okay, you don't have to have paper, but it's gonna give you a more cleaner taste, as well as you are going to have your brew pad clean as well. So again, that's optional. All right, preheat the water first. The inside, you're gonna see the marker there. Hopefully I can show you guys. And then I like to start with see the number 3 mark there. I mean, that's kind of like minimum you want to put. You don't want it too much, okay? More water is not the best. So you just want to, I'm going to put it at 3. So the number 3 mark, again, we are entering, put the hot water inside. Comes to process, it's pretty easy. Put that there. All right, so obviously there's the kind of like shower screen and the rubber gaskets. Lock it in. So this is the pressurized, guys. So do not walk away. Okay, do not walk away. Just make sure now everything is nice and tight. So we do have a handle here. Okay, I'm just gonna tight there, just below. Okay, you do not want to go side. I'm just gonna go here, kind of like medium heat. So I'm gonna start brewing around like 2. Okay, I want to build up some pressure, and then we are going to make. I'm gonna make 2 cups. Actually, I was watching his video this morning, trying to figure out how to use. Shout out to Josh. Okay, so let's see here. The pressure is building up, guys. Okay, slowly but surely. I like to brew around like, I'm playing with around 2. I want to be around 2. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a little bit of pre-infusion. Okay, a little bit of pre-infusion here. Ideally, you want to be right below, but there you go. You see the coffee coming up now? Okay, and right now we are at 2 bar. I'm just gonna shut it down for a little bit, okay? About 10 seconds to start doing some pre-infusion. Okay, I'm gonna let it go. Go nice and easy, folks. Okay, you don't have to go fast. Go nice streams of coffee here. That's one. I got my 1 coffee ready. Let's work on the number 2. I think this is good. Okay, we have 2. Espresso is ready. Comes the steaming aspects of it. Hopefully I can show you guys. I mean, kind of similar to like my latte boni. Okay. Again, make sure wipe it clean. Just make sure to do so right away. I think I have to clean it separately here. Okay, here we go. Okay. That's 1. Cup number 2. You know, I bet you I can do a little better than this one. There we go. So we have a Bellman latte here. I have to tell you, first time ever using it. Okay, I saw Josh's video this morning from Alternate Brewing. All right, I just saw the video. I cleaned it, and I just made this coffee. The fact is, it comes to steaming wise, works really fantastic. Okay. As always, I like to use 1 pump of caramel. I'm gonna have a coffee with just only 1 pump, and maybe 1.5. Okay, let's treat ourselves. This is the holidays, guys. Cheers, guys! Happy holidays. Wow, it's really good. Yeah, it's really good. I'm not joking. Okay, so the other cup for my son. Ian! So this is my son's cup. I'm gonna ask him. I mean, he doesn't know I'm making with the stovetop, so I'm gonna ask him what he thinks about it. Okay. If you are driving somewhere, you're gonna park. I mean, put that in your back of your car. So if you have a decent hand grinder, handle the espresso. Yeah, I think it might work better than. It might work better than Flare. Comes to camping, because Flare is only one person at a time. But this one, it can make up to because I put number 3 as a water level. You can go 3, 6, and 9. So you can go up to 9. I mean, you can put quite a bit. I think you can have 3 cups, 4 cups if you want. And then you just go all the way up to 50 grams. You can make yourself a nice Americano in the morning during the camping. Yeah, that's not bad. Okay, not bad at all. By the way, if you have Bellman at home, let me know. Okay, how do you like it? So this one is, again, combo units. Pretty solid, okay? Solid build. I think you guys are going to enjoy it. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a wonderful, wonderful morning.